Welcome to the National Insulation Association's Education Center, powered by Knauf Insulation. Knauf is an education partner of this platform, and the National Insulation Association appreciates their continued support. You can access the Education Center by going to www.niaeducationcenter.org or through our main website at insulation.org and finding Education Center at the top of your screen in the blue bar. Once you have the Education Center page open, you can sign in by clicking on Sign In on the top right of your screen. Your login credentials are the same as what you use to log into NIA's membership portal. Once you are logged in, you will see a row of course topics that you can click on to explore our courses. The row of courses in blue are our training courses offered. Some of these courses are an additional fee, as these are longer certification level or professional development courses. A tip to help you get started: if you aren't sure where to start, scrolling down and locating the feature courses at the bottom of the homepage will give you an overview of some of our popular and newer courses. This section is updated throughout the year as new courses become popular or available. You can also find a course catalog on our website that has all available courses listed, including the Mechanical Insulation Basics course that is now available in Spanish and our new Mechanical Insulation 101 track. You can access the list of courses on the Education Center too by clicking on the Courses tab at the top of your screen in the Education Center. If you are looking for something specific, a good way to do this is by using the search box. Another way to search for a course or view all courses available to you is by selecting an option in the Sort By drop-down menu. From here, you can sort by suggested, newest, alphabetical, A to Z. You can also use the Browse feature on this page to access the course categories. A good way to track your progress or to locate the courses you have already completed is by locating your name at the top right corner of your screen. From there, you will click on My Activity tab. My Activity tab will display two tabs that show purchase content and courses. The Courses tab will display all the courses you have started, your progress for each course, and what courses you have completed. If you have completed a course, but your progress still does not show 100% completion, double-check these things. 1. That you have clicked on the Learn How to Subscribe to NIA's Education Center link at the end of every course. 2. If a course specifically has copyright and disclaimers in the course, you have clicked on these and read these. By reviewing these items, you can ensure that your courses show up as 100% completed. Looking for your Education Center certificates? Locate the Certificates tab next to the My Activity tab under your name. By making sure to select All Time in the gray drop-down menu, you can see all the certificates you have earned from the Education Center and any NIA certification programs you may have attended. Thank you for checking out the National Insulation Association's Education Center. We hope these resources help you learn more, build your skills, and keep growing in the industry.